Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, tune in because you're about to witness a moment in history. The moment that I purchased a VeeFriends Series 2. I mint a VeeFriends Series 2. If you've never heard of VeeFriends, it's Gary V's NFT project. He started out this journey May of last year, exactly 1 year ago, 2021. He launched the VeeFriends, which was an attempt to make an entrance, a huge entrance, I might say, into the NFT space. And with that, with getting a VeeFriends, you have access to the Discord channel where there's a lot of alpha being shared in there. Alpha is, things that make you money, free stuff, free knowledge, free game on the Web3 and crypto space. You also have access to him. He's a huge influencer, commands a lot of attention. Anyway, I missed the initial launch, the VeeFriends Series 1. I'm gonna have an opportunity to mint VeeFriends Series 2. I started off with book games, and book games is a layer 2 NFT that was created by Gary that linked his best-selling book 12 and a half games. So if you purchased his 12 and a half games, you got access to mint that book games. And now if you accumulated 5 book games, you have access to his friends list, which is sort of a white list to buy or to mint VeeFriends Series 2. Obviously, I got 5 of those, the same frames for the book games. The frames is like a trait. And so I was included in the friends list, and friends list is like 55,000 of these NFTs you get that he allocated specifically to the people who made it to the friends list. And once we mint, then next week, I think on the 25th, on the 26th, minting goes live to the public. And but for the friends list, we get to mint at 0.33 ETH plus gas. Every NFT comes with a new trading card game, which is called the VeeFriends Compete and Collect. Each VeeFriends Series 2 NFT that you mint includes that exclusive access. You'll be able to redeem a box of those playing cards with all the characters, cool characters. And that's the only time you'll be able to mint it, because after that, it shuts out. You don't get the card. It's also optional. You don't have to have it, but you will get to mint the VeeFriends Series 2. After that, delivery of the card starts on the 16th of May. Plus, here's the good part. All right, I'm gonna share my screen so you guys can see this. Let's go ahead and dive right into this thing so that you just don't hear my voice. I know you like my voice, but there's all the things that I want to show you. Here we are. One of the really cool pieces that he added here is that you can play with Gary V and compete for a high score to gain. All VeeFriends Series 2 artwork and metadata will be revealed after the public mint ends. And I think it also says here that you can try out this game if you're, to see how you. Currently, VeeFriends Series 2 floor price on OpenSea is 0.98. Yeah, it's already picked up price. Isn't that crazy? It's not even being revealed yet, as you can see. And the floor price is already picked up. I'm gonna be minting today. I think let me see. So what I already connected my wallet to this website. That's how you access this game. It's VeeFriends.com. You want to be careful because there's a lot of scams out there. Be sure that you go to VeeFriends.com. As you can see here, it's got a warning label on here, warning banner, because there's a ton of scams out there. All right, but that said, X out of this so you can get out of the way. Right now, I've already connected my wallet. As you can see, there's remaining time for the friends list access. It's 5 days and a few hours. I'm gonna connect my wallet here to see how many VeeFriends Series 2 that I'm allowed to mint. There we go. You're gonna need a MetaMask wallet to do this. And here there's a check eligibility button that I'm gonna click on. All right, I am, and it says here, I have 12 and a half days to mint 2 VeeFriends Series 2 tokens. I'm eligible to mint 2 of them at 0.335 ETH a piece. All right, and first thing we're gonna do is to load up the wallet with some dough, because I need 0.335 ETH to mint it. I'll see you guys soon. Here we go. The grand reveal. My wallet is ready and loaded up with enough ETH. We're currently sitting on, let's make sure we're connected and good to go. As you can see here, my wallet is eligible to mint 2 VeeFriends Series 2. We currently have 0.79 ETH ready to deploy. I'm gonna go ahead and mint. All right, so it gives you here an option to mint 1 or 2. I don't know if I should mint both at the same time. Mint 1 at a time. But I think I mint 2, because that way I really pay gas once and not twice. Just make sure we have the wallet connected. I received an error message. Make sure the wallet is properly connected and ready to go. Okay, as you can see, Series 2 tokens times 2, with a total of 0.67 ETH required, with 2 VeeFriends compete and collect trading cards. This is the box that you check if you want to stay anon and forgo your option to claim a free box of new friends, compete and collect trading cards. You check this box. But if you do want to get your card, put your name here. This is another smart way to generate leads or collect complete information of all your VeeFriends. That's a smart one, Gary. I see what you're doing there. So with this, he has all our information: address, phone number, probably. Yep, phone number. That's more than 250,000 people, addresses and phone numbers. My wallet's already connected. Jeez. This is part I don't understand. Why is it making me connect to my wallet again? I've connected and signed this wallet multiple times already in this transaction. Gas fees. What are we looking at? Gas fees. $18. Not bad. Let's go ahead and run with it. Usually gas fees are an impediment when you're using the Ethereum blockchain, but today we might be on a lock is on our side, and we're gonna go ahead. Your tokens are reserved. Please take your time to fill out the info. I already did. Okay, so confirming, waiting to mint. This is the grand reveal. I'm about to be an owner of a VeeFriends. Finally, it's been 1 year in the making, and we are here. We are finally here. For a whopping $2,146, I get to own 2 VeeFriends Series 2 tokens. Let's go. And there it is, folks. I am all set. They've received the payment and they're working to fulfill my order. It should take about an hour. And I can always view the activity or track the progress on OpenSea. And it says order complete. Congratulations on your purchase. Yeah. And the crowd goes, raw. I'm a VeeFriend official. All right, folks, that's our show for today. I hope that you enjoyed it. I wanted to bring you live and have you watch me mint a VeeFriends Series 2 wallet. Just a quick recap. On a MetaMask wallet, I loaded it up with enough ETH in order to mint the VeeFriends I connected my wallets to VeeFriends.com, went through the eligibility check. It told me how many I was eligible to mint, clicked on it, and voila, I am now a VeeFriends owner. So you have been a witness to what it's like to mint an NFT. Now go ahead, feel equipped, feel ready, go ye into the wild and mint away. It's Empathy is Money channel. Subscribe to it if you like this type of content. And leave a comment and tell me how you feel. And until next time, be an empath and be happy.